All right, so there's another product that I went ahead and picked up, and that is from EVBase. Now they reached out to me again and they wanted to see if I wanted to try out any products. So I have always wanted to try storage bins in the back of the Cybertruck underneath the seat, but I never wanted to pay the $250, I think it is, for the Underseat bins, and they were on sale. So I was like, sure, let's check these out. So I went ahead and I checked out these bins. Now they are not as good, I would say, as Tesla's, so the Tesla branded ones, because these, at least I haven't tried the Tesla ones, I guess I should start there, that I don't know if you have to screw the Tesla ones together, but these you have to screw together, and they're in like three or, well, let's see, one, two, yeah, like four different pieces, five different pieces. So you have the three main pieces, and then you have like two little cubbies, if you will, in the middle. But they seem pretty good quality. I mean, they're definitely like a plastic, hard plastic, you know, material. So I'll go ahead and I'll show you what that looks like here real quick. So as you can see here, this is kind of what I'm talking about. So we've got the one here, the one piece there, then you've got this other piece here that goes kind of like that, and then you're gonna have this other piece that comes in here. All of these, just like there we go. Now all of these connect together, and then you have these little center cubbies that kind of go in here. So I'm going to go ahead and I will put these together real fast. I may do it outside because I am losing light. It is getting towards evening. So let me go ahead and set up the tripod here real fast, and I'll screw these together. All right, so as I said, these go together just like this. Now you can see right here, you've got these screw holes right here, and it looks like they screw in once you lock these together. So you kind of grab like here and you join them together just like that, and then you're going to do the same thing over here on this other side. So you kind of slide this in here, and they theoretically lock in really nicely. There you go. Now then what I have to do is I have to flip this over, and I'm going to go ahead and do that real fast here. Flip it over. And let me move the camera here just real quick. And as you can see, I'll try to square this up here. So I've got the screws that came with it. It does come with all the screws and the screwdriver. A little tiny screwdriver here, nothing fancy. And you take these and you just put these in here real quick like this. Lock these in. So this is to make this one unit, so it's kind of nice that it's separate. I guess you could put like one of these underneath the seat if you wanted to, and then maybe do, you know, just half of this, or I guess it would be 2/3 of this. But that's just something you could do if you wanted to. But once these are screwed together, this should solidify this as a single piece, and then we will get this put in to the truck underneath the bed, or underneath the seat. Now one thing I will note, I'm using the screwdriver that came with this, but if you have a Phillips head screwdriver, I highly recommend using one that is, you know, an actual full-size Phillips. I say full-size, but you know, an actual Phillips, not this miniature little thing. But if you don't have a Phillips screwdriver, then you do have this, and it is included. So there is a total of 4 screws for each piece, 1 on each of these sides here, the front and the back, and then 2 in the middle. So I will get this done. Should be a super short video, and here you go. You should be able to see this here. Let me flip it over for you, and there you go. And they give you 2 extra screws, and they give you, you know, obviously, like I said, the screwdriver, so you have that if you need it. They also include with this the Velcro to go on the sides over here, but that slides in there just like that, and just like that. All right, so I got all of that put together. Super simple. Like I said, you've got the Velcro that comes with these, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in the back of the truck, and I'll show you what that looks like. So as you can see, I got the under the seat bin installed, and it does have these nice removable little trays in the middle that you could theoretically like lay down here. They're gonna vibrate, which I might take them out, but you could leave them in there, take them out, whatever. So if you had a longer item, and you needed to run it the entire length of the seat, say like my umbrella or something like that, you could put it there, and if you want them, they just slide in really neat and nice, just like that, and lock in. This is fairly good and secure on the floor, so fairly flat. I don't feel any like movement. I drove around with it, didn't even know it was back here, and you just do that, and there you go. And you can obviously leave the like side seat up or open it while you're driving to access stuff underneath on this side, so that's really kind of cool and just provides more storage. And this is what it looks like on the floor. So if you're wanting to see what that looks like, which I think honestly it's pretty nice, and you know, it gives a decent amount of storage. And if you don't want it, you just lift this whole piece right out, and you know, there you go. So just like that, and then this whole thing would come out, and you've got, you know, all the storage under the seat again, or the openness under the seat if maybe you're going to carry more stuff and you need, you know, that extra storage. So I think this is a really good addition to the truck, and I can see why Tesla and places like EVBase have added this, because it definitely adds a nice, you know, functionality to underneath the back seat. All right, so that has been the EVBase under the back seat bins for the Cybertruck. They're really, really cool, honestly. They fit right in, and honestly, I thought I had a problem with them being separate pieces, but after getting them in and installed, I really like them, and it gives me a storage solution. If I want to put things and organize them underneath the seat, I can pull them out, put them in my garage with no problem, and super lightweight. So, and they seem fairly durable. So that is really, really cool. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe, share, and we will see you in the next video.